Hello, Mr. Geiselhardt here, and we're going to take a look at this question here. This is a SOHCAHTOA problem, so the first thing I want to do is identify what is the opposite side, what is the adjacent side, and what is the hypotenuse. In this question, I'm looking for the girl's distance away from the flagpole, so that's going to be the adjacent side, and I'm given the height, which is going to be the opposite side. Now, the thing we have to be careful of here is that in my triangle, it doesn't go all the way to the ground. The triangle only goes to her eye height. What that means is that in order to find the side of the triangle, I need to subtract from 63.4 her eye height, which is 5.2, and when you do that, you get 58.2. So the height, or the length of the side of the triangle, is 58.2. Now I'm going to use tangent, because that's opposite and adjacent, to solve this question. So we do the tangent of 51 is equal to the opposite side, 58.2, over the adjacent side, which is x. Put that over 1 and cross multiply. We get x times the tangent of 51 is equal to 58.2. Divide by the tangent of 51, divide by the tangent of 51, and you're going to end up with x is equal to 47.13, and that's the distance from the flagpole.